Aereo uses thousands of tiny antennas, about the size of a dime, to pick up programming over the public airwaves. It stores those in the cloud and then streams them onto subscribers' devices, everything from tablets to smartphones to laptops. They don't pay broadcast networks anything, however, which is why Aereo is right now being fought by the broadcasters in court. Aereo says it's legal because it's no different than viewers using their own antennas to capture these programs over the airwaves. They say they're basically an antenna rental service. Broadcasters, however, say that Aereo looks and feels much more like a cable or satellite company. Those companies pay broadcasters today retransmission fees to broadcast those programs.
The Obama administration's filed a brief with the Supreme Court taking the broadcaster side, saying that Aereo is clearly infringing on the network's copyrighted material. The court will probably decide the case sometimes this summer before it leaves for its break at the end of June, and the decision could have wide-ranging impacts, even though in these kind of cases involving new technology, the justices sometimes move slowly. A decision against Aereo will probably put the company out of business, and it could affect other cloud storage options. But a decision for Aereo could actually revolutionize the way people receive their television coverage. It gives them a chance to get local news and live sports online. That's content that right now they have to have a cable subscription in order to get in most cases.
Aereo operates in 11 cities and hopes to launch in DC later this year. That is, if it's still around.